Hello there, welcome to the first video on charcoal drawing. In today's video, we will be using our charcoal to make a simple drawing of an object in our environment. You will need your stick of charcoal, a page, and your fingers. Now remember, your charcoal is going to be very easy to work with, but it's easy to break. So be careful with the pressure that you apply to it while you are creating your drawing. It's very soft. So the first shape you are going to see us make is a circle. Because on paper, although the orange is like a sphere, we make it as a circle. So you're going to draw the circle freehand. So freehand drawing of your circles, it's okay if it's not perfect. Now you can't just draw a floating orange in the air. So you're going to finish it off with a little top where it was joined to the tree. And you are going to put a line that will show the people looking at your drawing that it is sitting on a table. So as you go over your lines, you keep it nice and neat. At this point, you don't want to do too much scratching. Although, as you work with the charcoal, you'll see it's very easy to scratch. It's very easy to make a mess. And it's okay, as I said, your drawing will not be perfect, but you could manipulate it until you get it to where it has to be. Now the thing I like the most about the charcoal is that you can smudge it, you can rub it off, as long as you have not applied fixative in the form of hairspray or an expensive fixative. You will be able to smudge it. So you can try a little smudge test with your table, and then you begin. You can break it to suit the area that you have to work with, and you put it on the side. You can hold it from the top and you start to shade. We are putting in shading because even if you looked at your orange in the light, you exposed it to light, even if you were to shine a flashlight on it, a torchlight, you would see that it has a shadow. So with our orange, the shadow is coming, the light is coming from the left, so we are putting the shadow on the right, on the outer parts of the sphere. So our shape now has some depth. And all oranges have small holes in their skin, just like our skin. So you're going to put a few dots on your paper using your charcoal. You can take a clean finger and work it in and do them over, layer it, and then you work on darkening your shadows. Every time you feel you're seeing some strokes, you can take your finger, smudge it out, get it smooth again, and remember to put back your initial line so that your shape doesn't get lost in the shadow area. As I said, you could turn the charcoal on the side, you can use it on a point, but as you use it, you are shading and smudging as you go along. You'll notice that I sped up parts of this film because the process, although it's an enjoyable one, it takes some time, especially when you're now starting. So bear in mind, you're not shading the entire surface that the object is on. You are just putting in that shadow that would have been there naturally if this were a real object. and you keep it nice and neat. You can shade it light, you can shade it dark, you could take the extra from your finger and help you with lighter shading. The more you press, the harder you press, the deeper the charcoal will mark. So I hope you have fun creating your drawing, and until next time, goodbye.